নমস্কাৰ মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল আজি মই তোমালোকক ক্লাছ 8 অৰ 11 লেসন 7 অৰ গ্ৰামাৰ এণ্ড ইউজেছ পাৰ্টিৰ কোৱেশ্চন আনসাৰ খিনি দিবলৈ ওলাইছো তোমালোকে লিখি লবা ভালকৈ Complete the following sentences using the appropriate correlatives from the box given below মই ডাইৰেক্ট আনসাৰ বিলাক দি গৈছো চাই যাবা তোমালোকে Though the picture was costly, yet we bought it. No sooner had he seen me than he fled. I like both painting and music. He worked so hard that he fell ill. Whether he supports us or not is not at all important. Now correct the following sentences. Mr. Smith is an European. Answer. Mr. Smith is a European. He came today morning. He came this morning. One should do his duty. One should do one's duty. Please hear his advice. Please listen to his advice. Stop to write. Stop writing. Find out the clauses from the following sentences and write them separately. Rupam was singing and his sister was dancing. Rupam was singing principal clause and his sister was dancing correlative clause. He is poor but happy. He is poor principal clause but happy correlative clause. Coordinate clause. I know where he lives. I know principal clause. Where he lives subordinate clause. This is the book that I bought yesterday. This is the book, principal clause, that I bought yesterday, subordinate clause. This is the shirt which I like. Now, this is the shirt, principal clause, which I like, subordinate clause. Now, vocabulary. Rewrite the following sentences, replacing the underlined phrases with the correct words from the box below. Mark Twain's ability to form mental images or pictures helped him to narrate lively stories. Mark Twain's imagination helped him to narrate lively stories. Her love for her school was not artificial. Her love for her school was genuine. Ruma was worriedly waiting for her friend's reply. Ruma was anxiously waiting for her friend's reply. Aunt Polly forcibly caught Tom by his wrist. Tom held up his toe for being inspected. Question number D2 answer sailaba. Aunt Polly seized Tom by his wrist. Now E. Tom held up his toe for being inspected. Tom held up his toe for inspection. Now make sentences using the following words and phrases. Presently. Presently I am busy. Admirable. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was an admirable leader. By and by, Corona will be eradicated by and by. Make one's flesh crawl. Thief's face makes our flesh crawl. Nevertheless, he does not talk to anyone. Nevertheless, he is a good man. ধন্যবাদ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল আশা কৰোঁ তোমালোকে এইখিনি লিখি লৈছা আৰু মোৰ ভিডিঅ'বোৰ চাই নিশ্চয় ভাল পাইছা তোমালোকে পঢ়ি থাকিবা আটায়ে ভালে থাকা ধন্যবাদ